You've likely noticed your lawns and gardens getting impacted by the drought conditions. Local family farms have also been feeling the impacts.
And that's livelihoods and a lot of money on the line for them. Some of those impacts could even lead into the fall festival season this year. WLWT News 5's Adam Berniston spoke with one farm in northern Kentucky about what they've been dealing with.
This is the Benton Family Farm pumpkin patch. In a normal year, you'd have vines all around me and it'd be hard to walk through. But due to the drought, their pumpkin crop is going to fall short this year.
As drought conditions worsen, local family farms are feeling the impacts. At the Benton Farm and Agricultural Learning Center, workers have had to bucket water out to pastures due to ponds drying out. Along with water, their hay supply has also taken a hit.
Like one hay field, we might get 16 hay rolls out of it, but we're only getting 8 out of a mowing.
Down at their pumpkin patch, growth has also been much slower. Gilliam says they'll likely have to come up with other plans for school visits in the fall.
And we'll come in and what they call pitching. We'll have to pitch pumpkins down through here so the kids can still get the effect of coming and picking their pumpkin.
The drought is also taking a toll on their budget as a non-for-profit farm.
So we have to dig into the funding to buy elsewhere and get here, and that just digging in to the rest of the year.
And along with donations, what the farm really needs is just more rain.
The ground is so hard, it'll rain real quick and run off, and then it quits, and the sun dries right back off. We need a couple days of soaking rain.
Now, unfortunately, with a shortage of pumpkins likely this year, the Benton Family Farm will likely have to bring some in. That will cost them more, and unfortunately, it may ruin some of the experience of going pumpkin picking. So it'll be something to watch as we head throughout the fall. In Boone County, meteorologist Adam Berniston, WLWT News 5.
All right, so Adam getting their story out, and you're out there and you say, I want to help. Here's the best way to do it. Help support Benton Farm by attending their fall festival. It's coming up September 21st and the 22nd. They're going to have several art vendors there, and you're going to be able to meet their farm animals. So bring the kids on out. They love that. All kinds of things going on around the farm.